Writing. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring the 1993 United States 1-cent coin, also known as the Lincoln Memorial Cent. This classic American penny remains a favorite among collectors because of its connection to Abraham Lincoln and its important place in modern United States coinage. The 1993 1-cent coin has a face value of 1 cent. It is an official circulating coin of the United States. The obverse features a portrait of Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th President of the United States. The portrait was originally designed by Victor David Brenner. The year 1993 appears on the obverse of the coin. The obverse also includes the motto "In God We Trust." The word liberty appears beside Lincoln's portrait. The reverse features the Lincoln Memorial. The reverse design was created by Frank Gasparro. The Lincoln Memorial honors the legacy of President Abraham Lincoln. The coin is composed primarily of copper-plated zinc. It weighs approximately 2.50 grams. The coin has a diameter of approximately 19.05 millimeters. Its edge is plain. The 1993 1 cent was struck for circulation at United States Mint facilities. Millions of these coins were produced for everyday use. Collectors often search for coins with original red mint color. Brilliant, uncirculated examples are generally more desirable than heavily worn coins. Professional grading services evaluate collectible coins according to recognized grading standards. Some collectors search for genuine mint errors and die varieties. Proper storage helps preserve the coin's original appearance. Protective holders and coin albums help prevent scratches and environmental damage. Experts generally recommend avoiding cleaning collectible coins. Cleaning may reduce a coin's collector appeal and numismatic value. The Lincoln Memorial Cent series is one of the most collected coin series in the United States. Many collectors build complete collections by date and mint mark. The 1993 issue represents an important period in modern American coinage. Studying this coin helps people learn about American history, coin design, and the legacy of Abraham Lincoln. Its simple yet elegant design continues to attract collectors around the world. The coin serves as a reminder of Abraham Lincoln's enduring influence on American history. Many collectors enjoy preserving high-quality examples for future generations. The 1993 Lincoln Memorial Cent remains an affordable and meaningful collectible. Its historical significance extends beyond its 1 cent face value. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the 1993 United States 1 cent Lincoln Memorial Cent, please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell for more videos about American coins, world currency, rare collectibles, and fascinating numismatic history. Here is one more paragraph you can add. Writing. Here are 40 more paragraphs to continue your 1993 United States 1 cent Lincoln Memorial Cent description. Writing. The 1993 Lincoln Memorial Cent is one of the most recognizable American coins. It circulated throughout the United States for everyday purchases. Millions of these pennies were produced for circulation. The portrait of Abraham Lincoln is admired around the world. Lincoln remains one of America's greatest historical figures. The Lincoln Memorial reverse honors his remarkable legacy. Collectors appreciate the detailed design of the memorial. The copper-plated zinc composition makes the coin lightweight and durable. Many collectors search for examples with original red mint luster. Brilliant uncirculated coins are especially desirable. Professional grading services carefully evaluate collectible coins. Higher-grade examples often attract greater collector interest. Some collectors search for genuine mint errors. Others study die varieties and production differences. Authentic error coins are much scarcer than ordinary circulation pieces. Proper storage helps preserve the coin's original appearance. Coin albums and protective holders provide excellent long-term protection. Handling coins only by their edges helps prevent fingerprints. Cleaning collectible coins is generally discouraged because it may reduce their numismatic value. The Lincoln Memorial Cent series has inspired generations of collectors. Many hobbyists build complete collections by date and mint mark. The 1993 issue is an important part of the Lincoln Memorial series. American coins are admired around the world for their craftsmanship. The 1-cent denomination played an important role in everyday commerce. Studying coins helps people understand history, culture, and economics. Every coin tells a story about the period in which it was produced. The United States Mint continues its tradition of producing quality coinage. The Lincoln Cent remains one of America's most familiar coins. Well-preserved examples are attractive additions to any collection. This coin is an excellent choice for beginning collectors. Experienced collectors also appreciate exceptional high-grade specimens. The 1993 Lincoln Memorial Cent represents an important era of modern American coinage. Its historical significance extends beyond its face value. Collectors continue to admire its timeless design and lasting appeal. The coin remains a symbol of America's rich numismatic heritage. Its connection to Abraham Lincoln adds lasting historical value. Many families pass these coins from one generation to the next. Coin collecting is an enjoyable hobby for people of all ages. Thank you for joining us as we explore this remarkable American coin. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more rare coins, collecting tips, and fascinating numismatic history in future videos. Here is one more paragraph you can add. Writing. The 1993 United States 1 cent